Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or even your pet? Today, we're diving into the Apple AirTag 4-pack, the ultimate solution for keeping track of your most valuable items. What makes AirTag truly special is Apple's incredible precision-finding technology, powered by ultra-wideband, guiding you directly to your misplaced item with remarkable accuracy. Imagine seeing the exact distance and direction to your lost item on your iPhone, like a personal digital treasure map. It takes the stress out of searching. Setting up your AirTag couldn't be easier. Literally a one-tap process connects it instantly to your iPhone, integrating seamlessly into your Apple ecosystem. And don't worry about minor mishaps, because with its IP67 water and dust resistance, your AirTag can handle splashes and dusty environments without missing a beat. This isn't just any tracker. It's a game changer for anyone who values peace of mind and wants to easily locate their belongings. If you're looking to buy the best Bluetooth tracker, AirTag is a top contender for essential electronics. To grab your own Apple AirTag 4-pack and finally put an end to lost items, check out the link in the description below directly to Amazon. Its deep integration with the Find My network, utilized by millions of Apple devices worldwide, means your lost item can be anonymously located by others, even if it's far away. From luggage to backpacks, the AirTag offers an unmatched blend of precision, ease of use, and robust design, making it genuinely worth the investment. So, if you want the ultimate solution for tracking and peace of mind in 2025, the Apple AirTag 4-pack is an absolute must-have electronic accessory.